Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. Did the Big Bang really create everything in the universe? Well, not quite. For decades, every major observation supported the idea that the Big Bang set everything in motion, shaping the cosmos as we know it. But ever since the James Webb Space Telescope started peering into the depths of the early universe, things have gotten weird. Webb has uncovered bizarre objects and ancient structures that don't fit neatly into the Big Bang model. Some discoveries even suggest that our current understanding of the universe's formation might be incomplete. And if that's not enough, new measurements of cosmic expansion taken from distant supernovae and Cepheid stars are producing results that don't add up. Could it be that the universe isn't expanding the way we thought? Or is something else at play? Every time Webb captures a new image, it challenges what we thought we knew. Recently, astronomers spotted strange deep space objects that look like galaxies, but might be something entirely different. Some researchers think these could be a whole new class of cosmic phenomena, something that doesn't fit into any known category in astronomy. So, are we on the verge of a cosmic breakthrough? Or have we just scratched the surface of the universe's deepest mysteries? Stay tuned, because the story of the cosmos is far from over. Scientists were already scratching their heads over the strange red dots spotted in earlier Webb images, tiny objects that didn't resemble any known galaxies or early cosmic structures. But now, with Webb's latest observations, the mystery has deepened even further. These new images reveal even more of these puzzling objects, and what's truly mind-blowing is that they exhibit properties that don't align with anything we understand about the universe. According to the laws of physics as we know them, these objects shouldn't exist. If they are galaxies, they're unlike any we've ever studied. But if there's something else entirely, we may have stumbled upon an entirely new class of cosmic phenomena. This discovery is shaking the scientific community, sparking intense debates about what these objects really are and whether they even belong to our universe. So, what exactly makes these objects so baffling? And why are some scientists questioning whether they could be evidence of something beyond our cosmic horizon? One particularly intriguing find is a small, point-like objects captured in Webb's latest images. Upon closer examination, astronomers identified it as a high redshift galaxy called GZ2, dating back roughly 400 million years after the Big Bang. But here's where things get even more surprising: a supermassive black hole lurks at its center, making it glow far brighter than expected. Even more astonishing, this galaxy appears much larger than it should be, challenging our current understanding of how galaxies formed in the early universe. As if things weren't mysterious enough, recent Webb observations have uncovered even more of these strange little red objects. But this time, researchers are questioning whether these objects are even galaxies at all, raising even bigger questions about what they truly are. One particular observation revealed 3 of these tiny red dots, and surprisingly, they appear to contain an older and more evolved population of stars. Initially, scientists suspected that these objects harbored supermassive black holes at their centers, which would explain their intense brightness. But new data has thrown a curveball. Scientists detected something known as a bomber break in their spectra, a feature typically associated with older stars rather than black hole-powered emissions. And this is where the real problem begins. Previous observations strongly suggested that these objects did contain supermassive black holes, making this new discovery a major contradiction. Could both ideas somehow be true? Or are we dealing with something that doesn't fit into our current understanding of the universe? This debate has sparked a major challenge in cosmology, with some scientists suggesting that these objects might not be galaxies at all, but something entirely new. Even NASA scientists are baffled. Dale Kochve of Colby College, the lead author of a new study, described these objects as a new class of galaxies that have no counterparts in the nearby universe. We're confounded by this new population of objects that Webb has found. We don't see analogs of them at lower redshifts, which is why we haven't seen them prior to Webb. And galaxies aren't the only mystery Webb is uncovering. The telescope has also spotted unexpectedly massive black holes lurking in the early universe. black holes so enormous that according to our current models, they shouldn't have been able to form so soon after the Big Bang. In fact, scientists have even found a galaxy that appears far more massive and structured than our Milky Way, yet it existed within just the first billion years after the universe began. A groundbreaking discovery has just shaken the foundations of cosmology. Scientists have found 3 ultramassive galaxies lurking near the dawn of time. These colossal structures, nicknamed red monsters, appear intensely red in Webb's images due to their high dust content. But what makes them truly remarkable is that their existence contradicts the long-held belief that the first galaxies formed in a chaotic and unstructured manner. And here's where things get really intriguing. Our current understanding of the universe cannot fully explain where these cosmic giants came from. Researchers are still debating whether these objects are even galaxies at all. But if they are, then we're faced with a major mystery. Why did their formation suddenly stop after just a few billion years? And why don't we see similar massive galaxies in the nearby universe today? On the other hand, if these objects aren't galaxies but something entirely different, then what could they possibly be? This puzzling discovery has pushed scientists to explore radical new ideas about the nature of the cosmos. Some even suggest that something strange may have happened before the Big Bang, creating the conditions for these objects to exist. Others are venturing into even wilder territory, hypothesizing about parallel universes that might be interacting with our own or unknown cosmic forces beyond our current scientific understanding. With each new revelation from the James Webb Space Telescope, our picture of the early universe becomes more complex and more puzzling. These discoveries are now challenging the very foundations of the standard model of cosmology. If the universe evolved gradually after the Big Bang, how could massive galaxies already exist so early in cosmic history? And the mysteries don't stop there. Scientists are also questioning why the universe's expansion isn't uniform everywhere, despite the influence of dark energy. And perhaps the most mind-boggling question of all, how did supermassive black holes form so soon after the universe began? Instead of answering our biggest questions, the James Webb Space Telescope is uncovering surprises that make the cosmos even more puzzling. With each new discovery, scientists are forced to rethink old ideas and search for fresh explanations that could rewrite what we thought we knew about the universe. As research continues, we may finally uncover the truth behind these cosmic mysteries, and whatever the answer is, it could transform our understanding of the universe in ways we never imagined. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you believe the universe came into existence after the Big Bang, or is there something even deeper at play, something we've yet to understand? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And that's it. Thanks for watching Spaceverse. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious and keep exploring the universe with us. See you in the next one.